Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much to Makartt for reaching out and sending me this amazing package. This is their new Enchanted collection and it is by Awesome Color. So I am so excited to show you guys these goodies. Here they sent me 4 press-ons and they sent me 2 different lengths. This is the medium length, I believe, and then this is the long length in this type of color, and it's super pretty. It has like gold glittery nails, and then it has pink as well, and then in the back it just shows you the instructions on how to apply them. And each of these do bring nail glue and your prep kit, so that is definitely amazing. And then next I'm showing you this baby blue one as well, super cute. So then I have it a medium length and then along with the long length. So I'll definitely be making videos on that. I absolutely love making press-ons look super plush. And then they sent me this cute little jar of glitter, super cute. I love this. I love in what container they put it in. It's so cute. Next we're moving on to the gel polish collection, and I'm just going to be briefly showing you the colors, and they're absolutely so beautiful and stunning. As soon as I heard Enchanted, automatically I thought of like fairies. So you guys will see that the set is in regards to that. It's definitely themed in regards to Enchanted. So here I'm just going to show you briefly what the colors look like. My absolute favorite one had to be the last one. It was such a beautiful color, but here I'm just going to briefly show you what they look like, and then I'm going to also show you the other kit that they sent me. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button to let me know that you guys enjoyed, and hit the notification bell to get notified every single time I upload, and subscribe if you haven't. So thank you guys so much once again, and I hope you all enjoy. So next we're moving on to the following kit, and it does include 2 stickers, one of veggies and the other one of sweet treats. And then next it also includes one side file, one side buffer, these full coverage nails, and some sticky tabs, along with these UV gel removing wipes, and then also a mini lamp, and it's super cute and very powerful. Some nail glue, manicure stick, your standard USB, and a top coat and base coat. And then it brings the same 2 colors that I showed previously. And these are the colors that I will be using for today's video. So first I'm starting off with the file and just roughening up the surface and filing it down very gently. And this will just create a good grip for the nails. And then after, I'm gonna go in with these Aliexpress extreme square nails. They're super amazing, definitely recommend them. They're like $4 or $5 and I always rave about them because they are such great nails, and you guys will see. And I'm just filing off the tabs off the free edge of each individual nail. So here I'm just grabbing the base coat and applying them to all my nails, and then going to quickly cure them before I forget to do this step. And that is what I'm doing here. I hope you guys enjoy and like the end result of the nail set. So I'm starting off with this color, and I'm just going to go in and apply them to the coordinating nails, which is all of them except for the middle finger and the ring finger. That I will apply the other color that I have next to this one. And I did do a total of just 1 coat for this particular color, and then the other one's a bit more sheer, so I did do 2 coats, and then I just cured it in between for 60 seconds. So these colors off the bat, they're very creamy, very pigmented. I had no complaints, absolutely loved everything, and everything will be available down below in the description box with their website. And also I have a code if you guys want to save some money, so you could use that as well. And yeah, guys, I absolutely love this set. I thought of Enchanted as something magical, fairy-like, so that is what I went for. And I hope it shows in the set. But yeah, here I'm just showing you me placing on the nails. And usually you would buff these nails out and you'd apply base coat and then you apply the color. But just for video purposes, I decided to just do it like this. Just put the polish directly onto the nails. So now that I'm done with that, I'm applying this gummy jelly from Couture, and I'm going to use this to adhere my rhinestones and my big gems, and I absolutely recommend this 10 out of 10. It's literally amazing. I always rave about this, and it's only $9.99 on his website. So I'm just going to start a little bit showing you guys just a little bit of this nail like rhinestone placement, just because this took me almost an hour, and I just decided to do it off camera because it's just simpler that way. But if you guys want to see the process, let me know, and in my next video or my next tutorial that I use rhinestones and stuff, I'll show the process. But here I just show a little bit of it because it just took me a while to come up with something. And then I love working with caviar beads, but it could also be very tedious and time consuming, so I just decided to do it off camera. And I hope you guys understand. But yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. I absolutely love these. I thought these spots would go perfectly with like an Enchanted theme. So that is what I did. Unfortunately, I didn't have like any fairies that I could apply to them, so that kind of sucks. But maybe that's an excuse to go and buy fairy related stuff for future nail looks or something. So yeah, guys, I hope you're enjoying it, and this is what they look like. What do you guys think? I know it's kind of weird, but I like weird because it's something that's different, I guess. And next I'm just gonna be going in with my top coat. And by the way, before curing the nails that had rhinestones on them, I did go ahead and put the top coat over and cure it off camera, so you won't see me applying top coat to those nails, but you will see me applying the top coat to the rest of the nails. So now I'm going to go in with the nail glue that was included in the kit, and then I'm just going to use this nail glue to apply the nails. And remember the trick for long lasting nails when using nail glue, obviously proper nail prep, but on top of everything, just at least try to hold them down for at least 15 seconds. And now I'm just going in with some cuticle oil, and that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought of today's nail look. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys for watching and tuning in. See you next time.